Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the greedy family, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a challenge.
Yeah.
This challenge was created by
the fluffy bearded man.
Yes, we was called out by Mardi Gras Mukbang. Mardi Gras Mukbang, when you're calling us out for a challenge, say it with your chest, okay? Say it with your chest, girl. All right. So listen, these are the rules. You have 40 nuggets, and you have to eat the 40 nuggets in 7 minutes. And you have to dip your nuggets in the mighty hot sauce.
Let me open my sauce.
He can get himself prepared by opening all of his sauce if he'd like to. And there are 40 nuggets here. You guys can count along with him, and whatever he doesn't finish, but I have faith in my husband that he is, we will count the rest and see how much he has left.
But you're not doing the challenge, huh?
Me not do the challenge. Okay? Me not do it. I already did a challenge like this already. I did 2 challenges with nuggets. I didn't win. So I'm not going to strike out a third time.
Don't worry, I do it.
But I do have some fries, and I do have a fish fillet sandwich from McDonald's, and I have some sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to put my fries here. You guys know how McDonald's fries is. If it's almost like you have to eat it right away or it gets cold. So, and then I have a fish fillet sandwich here, and I asked them to add some lettuce and tomato. I saw Like Mother Like Daughter Eats do this, and it looks delicious. Well, she didn't actually get hers because they messed up her order, but it sounded delicious. So I'm gonna eat it for you, okay, Cece?
And that's my timekeeper.
Yes, because I'm not doing the challenge. Good, it coming like the fruit cup challenge, huh?
Yeah, hard, son. Well, let me see what I could do. You know? I
have faith in Richie. I think he can do it.
Can't drink, son.
That's a problem, yo. Can't drink, my youth. And them something there at the hard part tonight, because you can't drink nothing.
Can't drink, B.
But I'm not gonna lie, family. The spicy nuggets, they do look good. They do look scrumptious. Fresh. And I am the timekeeper, so we do have 7 minutes on the clock. And maybe how do you want me to do it, my love?
Just give me the countdown whenever it's getting crunch time, you know?
Okay.
Can't fold under pressure right now, you know what I'm saying? So let me know when to start.
All right. Are you ready?
Let's get it.
Come on, guys. Root for Richie, okay?
Let's get it, son.
And go. See, guys? It's timing down. It's counting down. Why he doing that? I'm gonna have my food. Enjoy my food. And guys, no, Richie can't eat none of my food now because he's doing his challenge.
These are fresh.
You know, I've never had I've had a fish sandwich with lettuce and tomato, don't get me wrong. Because when I go to I can't talk to you because you're doing a challenge, but you know what I mean. When I go to Culver's, Culver's, I always get a fish sandwich. And theirs come with lettuce and tomato. You okay, honey? The sauce is good?
Sauce hot. But the nuggets is fresh though. Sauce is hot. It's a drinking.
It's drinking.
Can I drink?
You know, one thing about McDonald's, that's good. Why is it that on every sandwich that McDonald's have, they give you a whole slice of cheese, but on the fish fillet sandwich, they only give you a half? Pay attention, guys. They be getting us. A half a cheese. I be telling them, can I have my whole cheese, please? Right. Repeat your feet. You might as well have done this challenge where you didn't want to talk. Because it's the same thing.
I don't know. You know, it's fresh as hell. I'm feeling that.
Yeah, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Left. When I went into McDonald's, the lady, manager, what? She was not playing. She was like, let's go, let's go. Get the food out, get the food out. There was all guys there. They was like, we're working as fast as we can.
Wow.
And she was so little. She was running around getting everything done. And she's telling the guy, you okay, honey?
Jaw.
I'm in jaw. 3 minutes, 39 seconds. She's telling the guy, listen, I gave you all the food. All you have to do is give the customer their drinks. And it's like you're standing there waiting for me to do it. Let's go. Get the customers out of here. I was like, I like her. She's a feisty one. Cece, you onto something here with the lettuce and tomato now. 3 minutes.
Jaw.
The jaw.
Jaw hurt.
Guys, I can't tell you the last time I've had McDonald's. If it's not for the challenge, for some reason, we don't eat McDonald's. McDonald's is expensive.
Big meal, expensive some.
Two minutes, 20 seconds.
Jaw hurt, huh?
You know, to me, you gotta do it waiting for the food in. Enough nuggets enough.
It's a lot of nuggets. Why you can't drink?
1 minute, 45 seconds.
Wow.
Come on, honey.
My jaw hurt.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Your doctor waiting for these nuggets.
Do it, do it.
Hardest
do
part,
it.
can't drink, family. That's the problem. Not full, just can't drink. Your jaw hurt. That means I'm dumpling.
Shoot, they don't want to do a dumpling
First
challenge.
lady, give me a countdown, first lady.
I just 1 minute and 15 seconds.
I want to have it.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. 1 minute.
13.
1 minute. 52 seconds. I feel like I'm doing the competition. I'm eating so fast for a second. You got this, honey.
I ain't got this, girl. Can't drink.
Eat 2 more. Eat that one more.
How much time?
30 seconds. Come on, honey. You got this. Eat that one. Let's go, baby. Let's go, sugar. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, one more.
Yo, you got a bust.
No, baby. Go. Eat that one more. Eat that one more. There you go, family. Let them see, because I want to think we're cheating. You know them stay already. Good job, baby.
Can I do it? Woo!
Ooh, pig.
Wow.
Woo. 11. Listen.
Gotta drink something now.
What kind of lettuce?
Gotta drink now?
You can yum now. You can yum. Give my sandwich. Stop. Sorry, don't eat my food anymore. No. It's so annoying. Why would you do that?
Wow. My jaw hurt.
Annoying so.
Damn, son.
I should Harper ate this enough.
Your daughter gonna love this. Woo! That was a good one.
So, Richie ate 29 nuggets. If you had to buy the nuggets again, just to eat, would you? They're good.
It was good. They are good. And worse when you get them fresh.
I had to make them fresh, so I was like, please let it be fresh.
Wow.
Nothing worse than still nuggets.
So now, you have to call out 2 people. Who you gonna call out?
Simply K Eats. We're calling you out. We're challenging you, girl.
Wow.
Who you calling out, honey?
And I'm calling out. Whew. Now my jaw hurt. Shay Snacks. But Shay Snacks, I want the hubby do it with you too. Alright? Big up yourself, my brother.
Listen, guys.
We appreciate y'all. You giving us your sandwich.
Good.
Thanks for tuning into this challenge. I tried, you know. I think I did good.
You did a good job.
So, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. That's Shanice and that's Richie, aka First Lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang challenge.
Woo.
Bye.